Hello, welcome to another Repair Sprout video, and today we're going to go over PPC mistakes for water damage restoration company owners. And today we're going to see how to burn your budget entirely, very quickly and easily with Google Ads. So these are going to be three water damage PPC mistakes, very common, and let's address them right away so that you don't make them. So understand these mistakes before you go and run your next ad so you can avoid making any of these. So first mistake is not understanding truly how keywords work. So this is a big mistake, and most new advertisers make it with Google Ads. They don't do proper keyword research. They only use like a broad match type, and they do not use negative keywords. They do not monitor the campaigns constantly to add negative keywords that their ads should not be displayed for. These three mistakes will burn your money so quickly that you won't even notice it. Water damage restoration industry, traffic in that in this niche is very expensive. So you can quickly burn a lot of money with Google Ads. So to avoid making mistakes with keywords, do the following things. Don't do improper keyword research, but do good keyword research. Study some keywords, invest some time into this, learn how match types work, segment your keywords into multiple ad groups, monitor your campaigns daily, especially at the beginning, and find irrelevant search terms that your ads are showing up for, and then add them as negative keywords. Let's go on to number two mistake, which is traffic. If your main goal is traffic and ranking high, you're setting yourself up for failure. Your main goal should always be a conversion. Focusing just on traffic and ranking high is not enough on its own. You should have traffic. You should have your ad ranking high. But just that being your core focus is not enough. You need to focus on conversions, meaning you should have an optimized landing page that loads quickly and is optimized just for that campaign. Prioritize optimizing for conversions. Have call tracking conversion set up, and use a call tracking software to monitor your calls. So that is number two. Let's go to number three. Giving up too soon. Not testing and giving up too quickly is the number one mistake advertisers make. It's easy to make this mistake in the restoration industry because, again, the traffic in this industry is so expensive. But note that Google is a machine and not a human being. It needs a lot of data to understand what your business is about and who your ideal customers are. It needs data to know, hey, who among all Google users is the most likely to convert for this business. So what most business owners do is set up a campaign, run ads for a few days, see no results, and then switch it off, and then say it doesn't work. You have to be willing to test and potentially lose some money up front in order to have a successful campaign in the longer run. You should be testing everything, bidding strategies, ad creative, landing pages, keywords, match types, and more. Once you do enough testing, Google will figure out exactly what your business is about and who among all Google users is the most likely to convert upon seeing your ad. And then you will see the results you want. There are more things you can do. You can do audience targeting and all of that stuff. You should also test for that. But just know that it's going to take trial and error like everything else. So don't give up too quickly. And that's about it for today's video. Quick video. Hopefully it was helpful. And if you have any additional questions, of course, leave a comment. Join our Facebook group with the first link in the description of this video. Go to Repair Sprout to schedule a free consultation. And remember that after all, you leave a like if this video was helpful for you. And yeah, if you have any ideas, leave a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.